Hello and welcome to a quick cabin tour of cabin E414 on P&O Britannia. It's a standard inside cabin in the midship. So yeah, let's have a look around. I've only just got in the room myself, so I'll be seeing it all at the same time. But yeah, as you walk in, immediately to your right you have a nice big mirror, which is really good for you to check out your clothes. Opposite that you've got a huge wardrobe space, and to be honest, loads of hangers, which is really good. But yeah, loads of space for you to store everything from shoes down to your luggage, and a nice big cupboard here for you to put any folded clothes or anything like that. And then also a decent amount of storage up here with some blankets and also your life jackets. Very similar layout here to P&O Ventura and Azura, which were really good on the last time I was on those, so that's really useful. Then as you come through, as I say, it's an inside cabin, so it's not massive and no window, but really nice size, really big bed, loads of space either side, nice little bedside table on this side with your customary Bible and a decent amount of storage space, really deep. And then over the other side, the same again. Really big storage space, really deep drawers, although I'm not seeing any chargers at the moment, which might be a bit annoying. But then opposite the bed you've got your TV, and then you've got a little desk area and like a makeup zone, tea and coffee making facilities, phone, and then I'm guessing in here there is a fridge, which is likely to have absolutely nothing in it, but that'll be good to store some drinks because it's really warm at the moment. But yeah, decent space. Let's have a look around. Yeah, really big bed, loads of space either side. It doesn't feel tight and it's lovely and cool. And then as we walk back towards the wardrobe area, we will have a look in the bathroom. So bathroom looks pretty good. Nice big mirror, loads of storage space, big sink, and then loads of storage underneath, and a little bin, plenty of toilet roll. There's the toilet, towels, and actually pretty big shower, to be honest. It's not too bad, and it has a glass door, which is always a bonus. But yeah, that's pretty decent, to be fair. There we go. And yeah, as usual, White Company toiletries. You've got your shower gel and your shampoo. Rumour has it at the moment that they're not giving conditioner anymore, even if you ask for it. So we will see how that goes. Here you've got your controls. I'm going to turn that right down because it's so hot at the moment, so that can go all the way down. And also as you enter, they have one of these little card slots, so if you want to use the electricity in the room, which no doubt you will, you need to pop a card in here. You can either put your cruise card in there or something like a club card, or any other card will work. But yeah, there isn't much else to show you, to be honest, but it's a really decent room, loads of space, really nice decor, and I reckon I'll get a really good night's sleep in here because it's going to be pitch black. But yeah, thanks very much.